Hi everybody, if you don't know, I'm playing football. It's very cool. Outside, I might be the one of the dumbest kids ever. Oh, brave as hell. Let me know in the description down below. You may hear the wind. Here I'm playing a football with a little tennis ball. I really do play football with a little tennis ball because I'm a nuts guy, you know. Here comes the wind, guys. Just so you know, it's very cold. We're gonna sit with a little outside. And I'm like, bundle up with two jackets and a little t-shirt. I'm not just gonna play football. I love fucking football. To show you that I'm brave. Look at these boys and girls. Oh, goal. Oh, goal. Yeah, I'm brave. And not stay in my way. I'm really brave. I bet I can feel my fingers talking with you guys, but I'm gonna take like a 2 minutes and the video post to YouTube because it's gonna take an hour to post the fucking video. Last time I had a little vlog and just took a little. Hey, Messi comes around, Messi, oh, and it's in. Who saw that? I know you saw that, but I think it was a brave shot. Oh my god, you probably barely heard me. How wind is going. But I just want to tell you, I ain't no scared. Been gonna check this shit up. Like, I want to post the 3-part vlog. Had to lay everything up on my phone to kind of post it. Because it's gonna take an hour long. Yeah, I hope you liked it. Make sure to subscribe my channel. As you know, to make more. And yeah, guys, I just want to tell you that it's very cool. Do not do this if you're a kid. Parents don't do that. They're gonna lock you up and beat you up. But the feeling is you gotta be brave to do this shit. Balls. Had to have balls to do this shit. I'm like 2 minutes in. But I want to tell you, you have to be brave. Cause like my fingers, you don't see bad, but they're cold as hell. I barely hold the phone up, sorry. I barely hold the whole phone up. And I want to do this pretty easily by talking with you guys about things I will never do. Yeah, it's very cold. You can barely hear my voice. Stuttering, and I know it sounds weird, but I just went outside to play football because I couldn't keep my daily dose is football. I play like 30 minutes and then go down for 2 hours, and I know it sounds lame, but what I do here, sorry it's 3 minutes long, but I just want to record this because it's crazy what I'm doing. Like, you can see everything's moving up and pretty smooth. You can see they're probably moving up. I'm sorry you cannot see that, but the wind is very, very, very strong. The wind is kind of strong, I'm not gonna admit, but I want to see you next episode where I'll do some of the most bravest things. I might play football on snow and t-shirts if we hit 2,000 likes on this video. Probably never hit that many likes in like a year, but I'm gonna do it. I don't have time, I don't give you time, but let's do it, and I'll see you next time.